How professional buyers reduce risk when sourcing from China comes down to one thing. They follow a system every single time. If you want to avoid expensive mistakes, here is the step-by-step framework experienced importers use. Step 1. Verify the supplier before talking price. That means checking the business license, confirming whether they are a factory or trading company, and making sure the company name matches the bank account details. If you skip this step, every other step becomes riskier. Step 2. Lock product specifications in writing. Materials, dimensions, tolerances, packaging, labeling, and functionality must be documented clearly. If something is not written down, it can change during production without warning. Step 3. Approve the right sample. A handmade showroom sample does not represent bulk production. You need a pre-production sample tied to written specifications. Bulk should match that sample exactly. Step 4. Structure payments properly. Professional buyers do not send 100% upfront. A deposit is normal, the balance is paid only after inspection approval. Payment timing equals leverage. Step 5. Inspect before final payment. Quality issues multiply fast once production starts. A third-party inspection before releasing the balance protects you while you still have control. Step 6. Control shipping terms. Understand who is responsible at each stage. Know whether you are using EXW, FOB, or another structure. Convenience is not the same as control. Step 7. Scale gradually. The biggest losses often happen on the first large order. Increase volume in stages instead of jumping from small test orders to massive commitments. Step 8. Document everything. Quotes, changes, timelines, agreements, inspection results. Professional buyers rely on written confirmation, not memory or chat history. Step 9. Stay calm when problems happen. Delays, minor defects, and miscommunication are part of international sourcing. Emotional reactions reduce leverage. Structured responses protect it. Step 10. Think long term. Suppliers prioritize stable, predictable buyers. Consistency in orders, payments, and communication creates better pricing and priority treatment over time. Professional sourcing is not about luck. It is not about finding the cheapest factory. It is about reducing risk at every stage of the process. Every step you skip increases exposure. Every step you follow increases control. If you treat sourcing like a gamble, results will feel random. If you treat it like a system, results become predictable. If you want daily, practical China sourcing how-to videos that break each of these steps down in detail, follow Sourcing X Pro. I share what professional buyers do differently, so you do not have to learn through expensive mistakes.